In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Make.com with Notion. By following this guide, you will successfully connect these two platforms to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you are logged into your Notion account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to proceed with the integration. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to Make.com. Once there, locate the option labeled Create Scenario on the dashboard. Clicking this will initiate the process of setting up your new integration. After that, you will see a prompt to close any existing scenarios. Click on the Close option to ensure you are starting with a clean slate for your new integration. Once this appears, find the section where you can highlight options. Click on the highlighted area to proceed with selecting the application you want to integrate with. Now, click on the Notion icon within the list of available applications. This action will prompt you to set up a data source item specifically for Notion. Following that, select the option labeled Create a Data Source Item. This will allow you to define the specific data you want to pull from Notion into Make.com. Next, click on Create a Connection. This is essential for establishing a link between Make.com and your Notion account. You will then need to choose a connection type. This step is crucial as it determines how the two platforms will communicate with each other. After selecting the connection type, click on Notion Public. This option ensures that your integration has the appropriate permissions to access your Notion data. Once you have chosen Notion Public, click on the connection name. This allows you to specify the connection you are creating for the integration. Now click on the Save button to confirm your connection settings. This action is necessary to finalize the integration setup. Next, you will need to click on specific fields of data source. This selection will help you define the exact data fields you want to work with from Notion. Following that, select generic fields. This option allows you to include standard fields from your Notion database in the integration. Now, click on the highlighted area to proceed with selecting additional fields as needed for your integration setup. After this, click on Execution ID. This step is important for tracking the execution of the scenarios you create. Finally, click on Save once more to ensure that all your settings and configurations are properly stored. This confirmation is the last step to complete your integration. You've now successfully completed the tutorial on integrating Make.com with Notion. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.